Except bafethu, it's your boy.
Hola.
And now you know.
Yeah.
Impumalanga Ayethu TV.
Yeah.
Ise TV.
Yeah, TV Trust. That's number kwethu khona.
And guess what? It's where the man
Nakaja.
grew up.
Yeah.
Yabona njengoba create Impumalanga Ayethu TV.
Sibuya kuphi futhi so support Impumalanga
Trust
baba.
TV.
Yeah.
TV Trust.
Yeah.
Except Rodman.
But it.
I don't know. Tell me something like why you brought this here.
Yeah.
Why you brought this here?
Into langayisho yabo. Ngikhulule TV Trust efana yithi.
Yes.
Kaslam leli travel ngekena from Sentwana yabo.
Okay.
So ngifunze khona lana, ngiluse khona la timbuthi. So ngibona ukuthi akube kuhle fana ke ukuthi sibe lelokushini yabo. La sikhulele khona.
Yeah, bring it back to the community. Bring it back to the
support
community.
abakwethu machita sibakhuthaze yabo.
Yeah.
Because there is some people abasikhuthatako yabo.
Yeah.
To speak up TV Trust machita. Yeah, kulo fana kithi. So kuningi lokho
Except money, I saw you bonding, yabo.
Yeah.
The Macron man,
Yeah,
when you
yeah.
got here. I was like, okay, this nigga, what's in Nigeria? And I catch you to take the performer. Now, it's a castle. Abafana ngidojene emakhemera ngedwana.
Lokushini emakhaya if unisidinga simpumalanga Ayethu TV satholakala 0825901577 Facebook muzi wakhe Phibo the man bafowethu sikhona la eTV Trust so support amajita. Yeah man, yeah.
Get us there bafethu. Except bafethu, stay tuned. Nami nyalo sengifuna ukugibela stage. And I got some new shit.
Yeah.
Don't tell them it's unknown. I'm gone.
Siyabonga.